Imagine a time before the world existed, a time when Yeshua communed with the Father in perfect unity. This period, shrouded in mystery, predates the creation of the earth and the dawn of human history. It's a time that the Gospel of John illuminates, offering us a glimpse into the profound and intimate communion between Yeshua and the Father before the world began. The Bible vividly portrays the grandeur of Yahweh, who existed in his full splendor even before the earth came into being. Genesis provides a thrilling account of the creation of humankind and the cosmos. Yet the genesis of Yahweh remains untold. Scriptures unequivocally declare that Yahweh is eternal, uncreated, and timeless. Intriguingly, the use of the plural noun Elohim in the opening verse of Genesis hints at the Trinitarian nature of Yahweh, subtly emphasizing his plurality. John 17 allows us to peek into Yeshua's soul through his heartfelt prayer. Here, Yeshua speaks of themes like glory, being sent, belief, the world, and love. His petition for his own glorification is inseparable from his desire to glorify the Father. Yeshua's life was a testament to his dedication to uplift Yahweh's name through unwavering faith, obedience, and service. In this prayer, Yeshua boldly declares that he has completed the work assigned to him. He prays for the Father to glorify him alongside himself, underscoring his dependence on the Father, not for personal recognition, but for divine affirmation. Yeshua is acutely aware of his pre-existence and the glory he shared with the Father before the world began. This confident prayer affirms his divine nature and his equality with the Father. This divine communion is a cornerstone of our understanding of Yeshua's eternal nature. It uncloaks the mystery of his pre-existence, his unity with the Father, and the implications of plurality in the term Elohim in the Genesis account. Through this exploration, we gain a deeper understanding of the eternal character of Yeshua, setting the stage for the subsequent scenes that delve into his prayer, his glory, and his communion with the Father. In the Gospel of John, Yeshua's prayer provides a profound insight into his relationship with the Father. The prayer found in John 17 is a window into the heart of Yeshua, exposing his deepest thoughts and desires. The themes touched upon in this prayer encompass glory, being sent, belief, the world, and love. Yeshua begins his prayer by seeking his own glorification. However, this is not a desire born out of vanity or self-importance. Instead, it is intimately tied up with the glorification of the Father. Yeshua's life, from his humble birth to his selfless sacrifice on the cross, was a testament to his unwavering commitment to bring glory to the Father. His prayer is an affirmation of this mission. Next, Yeshua speaks of being sent into the world. He acknowledges that his purpose is not of this world, but of a divine nature. He was sent by the Father to bring salvation to humanity, a task that he undertook with complete obedience and love. Belief is another central theme of Yeshua's prayer. He speaks of the faith placed in him by those who follow him and prays for their continued belief. His words underscore the importance of faith in the journey of salvation. The world, in Yeshua's prayer, is not merely a physical entity. It represents the realm of human existence with its struggles and transgressions. Yeshua prays for protection for his followers in the world, demonstrating his deep concern for their well-being. Love, the final theme, is the thread that binds the entire prayer together. Yeshua's love for the Father, his love for humanity, and his desire for believers to experience that love are evident throughout his prayer. In Yeshua's prayer, we hear an echo of his divine nature and his equality with the Father. His words reveal a profound communion between the Father and the Son, a unity that existed before the world began and will continue into eternity. This prayer, in its depth and sincerity, serves as an example for all believers, reminding us of the sacrificial love and unwavering faith that should characterize our own prayers and lives. Yeshua's glory is not merely a future promise, but a present reality, reflected in his life and his sacrifice. When we delve into the Gospel of John, we find Yeshua repeatedly alluding to his own glory. It's as if he's painting a divine picture, a celestial portrait of his divine essence, one brushstroke at a time, through his teachings, miracles, and interactions. The events leading to his crucifixion, although somber and painful, were part of this glorification process. They were not merely the end of his earthly journey, but the ultimate fulfillment of his heavenly mission. Yeshua, in his unconditional love and obedience to the Father, accepted this path of sacrifice as the means of atonement for humanity's sins. He saw beyond the immediate suffering and looked towards the eternal glory that his sacrifice would bring. But Yeshua's prayers didn't stop at his own glory. He extended his intercession to those given to him by the Father. He prayed for his disciples, for his followers, and for all future believers. His prayers, steeped in divine love, echo his desire for us to behold his glory and be united with him. He yearns for us to experience his love, his grace, and his glory in our lives. Yeshua's prayers for his followers reveal his desire for them to behold his glory and be united with him. This is more than just a divine wish, it's a call to action for us all. We're invited to partake in his glory, to be transformed by his love, and to live out his mission in our daily lives. The communion between Yeshua and the Father is a central theme in Yeshua's prayer, revealing the depth of their unity. This divine connection is more than a simple relationship. It is a profound intertwining of purpose, will, and love. Yeshua, in his pre-existent state, shared in the divine nature and glory of the Father. His mission on earth, however, was not to seek personal glory, but to glorify the Father, reflecting his divine radiance to the world. In the heart of his prayer, we find Yeshua interceding for believers, those given to him by the Father. This intercession reflects his divine mission, a mission centered on love, redemption, and unity. Yeshua's prayer is not merely a petition for his followers, but an invitation for them to partake in the divine glory, to behold his glory, and to be united with him and the Father. Looking back at the main points we've discussed, the prayer in John 17 presents a rich tapestry of divine truths. It underscores Yeshua's pre-existence, his divine nature, and the purpose of his mission. It highlights the unity between the Father and the Son, and it illuminates Yeshua's role as an intercessor for believers. Yeshua's prayer in John 17 is a profound testament to the communion between him and the Father, a communion which invites us into a life devoted to the glory of Yahweh.